Welcome to Mountain Valley Real Estate, where you get to virtually walk the property with me so you can get a superior boots on the ground feel for the property. Check out this fern tree. It's huge. Welcome to Mountain Valley Real Estate. I'm John, and this is my buddy Land Squatch. He's in ghost mode today, obviously. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my new property videos coming out. Today I've got address 1912 Cascade Boulevard and 1939 Shasta Street. This is in Shasta Lake, California. It's a city called Shasta Lake, or Shasta Lake City, just north of Redding, California, maybe a 10-minute drive on I-5. This is 1.35 acres for $65,000. Seller financing is not available, but you can try a Banner Bank in California, as well as possibly other banks. This is 3 separate parcels totaling 1.35 acres with easy Interstate 5 access at just under a half mile to get back on the freeway from here, and about 6 miles to the boat ramp at Bridge Bay Marina on beautiful Shasta Lake, or I should say beautiful Lake Shasta, not to get confused with City of Shasta Lake. Anyway, they rent houseboats, watercraft, or you can store your own boat there too. There are multiple entrances into this property, one along Shasta Street and one along Cascade Boulevard. There were previous structures on the property that had water and sewer and of course power, so those should still be available at the street. This land is mostly level and at about 750 feet elevation. There's homes all around, and according to the assessor's map and neighboring lots, this property may have the potential to be 8 lots altogether, each around 50 feet by 150 feet. And you can check with the City of Shasta Lake for exact development specifics. Of course, my cell phone works here. There's power here, water, and sewer. The property taxes are just over 1% of the assessed value per year. And the zoning on this is, I believe, multi-family. So you can have, I think, a residence or multiple family residence, probably 1 to 4 units. But check with the City of Shasta Lake for the exact specifics on development and lot split potential. All right, so we're starting here in Sacramento. We're going to head north on Interstate 5, 2 hours or a little more from the Sacramento airport. We're going to go to Redding and just a little further up the freeway from Redding. Here's Redding. And we're going to go to Shasta Lake City, City of Shasta Lake, however you want to call it. This is the property here. We're going to take this exit, it's Cascade Boulevard exit. Take a left, property's on your right. It's got a couple of different entrances. You can come in this way, or you can go around here and come in this way or this way. But what I really want to show you is not too far away. You've got right here Shasta Dam with Shasta Lake right there. All this is Shasta Lake. You can also go up the freeway just a few miles, and you've got Bridge Bay Marina right here. Store your boat there, houseboat, whatever. They have amenities. You can rent houseboats. You can rent watercraft. So just want to point that out. This is the bridge. It goes over Shasta Lake. Anyway, this is the City of Shasta Lake, where the property is. All right, here. All right, so you can see on the map, we are located there. Property is in the red boundary area approximately. And three-dimensional, give you a feel there. We're the blue dot. We are blinking. Anyway, pretty flat. Homes all around. Most people have a 50 by 150 or something like that size lot. You can see all the homes around. So frontage is right here. My tape is pretty much, and it's going to go along here till you get to the trash cans over there. You can see us walking along the road frontage here. Another little entrance into the property right here. Should go down to this trash can pretty much and run right along there. So it should go right along here, with that being the border. So all this on. So I want you guys to leave a comment on this thing. What is this plant? I see this, I think, I don't know, I could have an artichoke. Reminds me of an artichoke. What do you think? These artichokes? Something you can eat? Let me know in the comments. This plant here screams fruit tree to me of some sort. That's what it looks like. Don't know for sure, but there's roses on the property. All kinds of different trees here. Of course, if you're going to cut this lot up into a bunch of pieces, put homes on them, probably won't have these on here for the most part, but this is the way it looks right now. So pretty forested in here. Lots of blackberries. Blackberries there. Ton of blackberries over here. Paved road frontage right there. Cottonwood trees, I think, on here. Some of these. And there's some roses right over here. More over here. Some hardy vines there. Flowers. Roses. Very cool. There's your other road frontage. That's Cascade Boulevard. The one you would take a left on from I-5 to get here. Some more roses right there. Lots of power on both road frontages, so all around. Like I said, there was a structure here before, some buildings, so everything should still be available. So I'm parked right there, but you could drive in here or drive in that way, and goes all the way through to the other road. We started the video right over there. Got power right here, which is kind of in between the two roads. Some forested in there. Lots of trees. Got oaks in here, and I don't know, is that a maple? Quite a bit of tree cover here. So your choice, but looks like maybe you could have 3 homes with some breathing room around. Basically a little acreage to each of them, or maybe you can get 8 homes in here if you want. Just check with the City of Shasta Lake for particulars, yeah, some good possibilities with this one. Alright, if you like this video, check out that one. I'll see you guys on the next video.